Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the donkey breakdance. First, let's establish your starting position. Begin in a low squat, placing both hands flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Keep your arms mostly straight, but allow a slight bend in your elbows to absorb impact. It's crucial to position your head slightly forward, not directly beneath your body, to maintain balance and prevent injury. This foundational stance sets you up for a successful and powerful move. Now, let's get into the dynamic part of the move. From your starting squat, push off your feet with explosive power, launching your body upwards onto your hands. As you jump, simultaneously kick both legs up towards your head, arching your back to create that distinctive donkey kick shape. Try to bring your feet as close to your glutes as possible. This powerful, upward kick is the core of the donkey breakdance. After the kick, the landing is just as important for a smooth transition. As your legs begin to swing back down, use your hands to push off the floor, propelling yourself back to your feet. Aim to land softly on the balls of your feet, returning to your initial low squat position. The key here is to establish a consistent, fluid rhythm. This allows you to seamlessly repeat the entire donkey kick, creating a continuous and impressive flow. Once you've mastered the basic donkey kick, it's time to explore some exciting variations. You can try rotating your body slightly during the kick, adding a dynamic spin to your movement. For an extra challenge, attempt one-handed donkey kicks, which demand significant upper body strength and balance. Finally, integrate this versatile move into other breakdance freezes or transitions, creating impressive and unique combinations. Keep practicing and have fun with your new skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.